May I please, Your Lordships?
Yes.
Lord, I am seeking Your Lordship's kind permission to appear on behalf of my friend, Mr. Rishabh Jain. Lord, this is an Admiralty suit arising out of a claim for damages to the cargo, Your Lordship.
Yes.
If I may just give a brief background of
Certainly.
the issue at hand.
Yes.
Lord, the brief background is, Lord, we are a manufacturing facility based in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh, Your Lordship. And Lord, we are the largest producer of spandex. Lord, the material used in sportswear. We are the largest producer of that in India. We were the first company to bring that material to India. The production we started in 2012.
Right.
And Lord, under the Honorable Prime Minister's prestigious Atmanirbhar plan, Lord, our board approved in the year 2021 an expansion plan worth $46 million, Your Lordships.
Right.
Lord, that comes out to be 364 crore project. Lord, for that project, Lord, we needed machinery. So we ordered machinery from China. Lord, may kindly have a few documents with me. Lord, firstly, the invoice. It appears at page 24 of Your Lordship's paper book.
Yes.
Lord, this is an invoice for a machinery which is called spin media system. Lord, this is the most important part of the machinery which makes spandex. Lord, the cost of this machinery, it is indicated is 828,850 US dollars. Comes out to be 6.3 crore rupees.
Yes.
Lord, after this consignment is made, Lord, a bill of lading is before it is being shipped, Lord, a survey is conducted.
Correct.
Lord, in China, it is a practice to conduct a loading survey. Lord, although it is on record, the loading survey starts at page 57. Lord, since it is a black and white copy, Lord, my mistake, Lord, it was being filed in a bit of hurry. Lord, I have a colored copy thereof for a Lordship's perusal.
As long as it is legible, there is no difficulty.
Lord, a
This is
picture
legible.
speaks 1,000
Survey
words. If
report,
Lords
right?
could peruse this.
Or you can share it. Otherwise,
Yes.
this is a legible copy that you
Yes.
have produced.
Lord, this is a survey conducted by a company. Lord, I have done the page numbering of the paper book as well.
Fair
Lord, may kindly see, Lord, the first page of the survey is the machine itself, the spin media. Lord, then I'll take Your Lordships to the third page, page number 60 of Your Lordship's paper book. Lord, these are the, Lord, since it was an oversized, over-dimensioned cargo, Lord, this is the open container where it was to be placed. Lord, then if Lords go through the pages, Lord, it is being placed. And then, Lord, the most important thing I wish to point to Your Lordships is starts at page 65. Two pictures at the bottom of page 65. Lord, these are the iron lashings with which the cargo was to be tagged. And then Your Lordships kindly have page 67.
Yes.
Lord, it was properly packed. It was tied down with iron ropes to the open container. Now, Lord, then Lords may kindly have the bill of lading. It is at page 39 of Your Lordship's paper.
Yes. Page 39.
39.
Yes.
That is very important document. After seeing the survey report, Lords need to see this bill of lading.
Yes.
Lord may see on the right hand side where it is written bill of lading. Lord, beneath it, it is written received by the carrier. Carrier is the shipping company. The goods in apparent good order and condition as far as ascertained by reasonable means of checking as specified below, unless otherwise stated, the carrier in accordance with the provisions contained in the front and back pages of this bill of lading undertakes to perform and procure the performance of the entire transport from the place in which the goods are taken to the place designated for delivery in this document.
Yes.
Now, Lord, this ship sails from China and Lord, it ships on 21st of June 2022. Lord, it reaches Mundra port in Gujarat on 13/7/2022 at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Lord, on 14/7, Lord, very interesting thing happens.
The ship is OOCL Charleston.
Yes, OOCL Charleston. Lord, it flies under the Chinese flag. It is registered at Hong Kong. Now, Lord, kindly have the protest letter at page 77. Lords have seen the survey report. Now, Lords, I wish to take Your Lordships to the pictures along with this protest letter. Lord, the Adani port, Lord, when the ship reaches there, they open the hatch of the ship. And Lord, this is what they find. Lords may kindly see at page 78.
Yes.
Lord, they say, Lord, may kindly see there are no lashings there. The lashings are gone.
That is how it is, Mr.
Yes, the lashings are gone.
Correct.
And the bill of lading says that it was properly lashed. It was received in a good condition. And now, Lord, what they do is they, for releasing this cargo, which admittedly we are the owners of, my lord, they say, you pay us an amount of rupees 50 lakhs one and some 10 lakhs one for release thereof, and you give us an indemnity letter saying that you will bear the cost of the ship getting delayed, you will bear the cost of your cargo hitting the other cargo without ascertaining whether there was a third cargo which hit our cargo. In any case, my lord, I have 2 points to make in this regard. One, my lord, it has not been ascertained and there is no documentation as to how our cargo went on to the other cargo. And two, my lord, all the ships, my lord, they are parts of P&C groups, my lord.
So,
Protection and indemnity clubs, my lord, they are called. And my lord, they are going to get back this money.
maybe. So therefore you are fortifying your submission relying on the survey report.
And the
You
bill of
produced
lading.
at 57, and then according to you, at page 78, when the vessel reached the shore, the goods were not in the condition as they were
As they were handed over to the
handed
company,
over in the vessel.
because putting the
Correct.
cargo
And that
onto
is-
the ship is the
Correct.
responsibility of the shipper.
Correct. So you are the original owner.
Yes,
You are the one. You are based in.
I am based, Lord, my plant is at Baddi, Himachal Pradesh.
Acha. So the goods were
Coming from China,
coming from China, and they would be delivered at Mundra.
at Mundra port to us,
Correct.
we will transport
And you
them
would then transport the same to
via road.
Himachal, wherever.
Yes, yes.
All right. Now, on what base? What is it that? How is it that you are before this court?
Lord, we are before this court,
Hmm.
Lord, because the shipper,
Hmm.
Lord, it refuses to release our cargo to us despite being us the owners,
Hmm.
despite the fact
Hmm.
that it was handed over in pristine condition. It was a brand new machine, just manufactured.
Well,
Lord, B,
Hmm.
Lord, the survey report showing that it was properly lashed, properly packed, given to them. And C, the most important admission on their part, bill of lading, the most important document on the paper book, saying that it was received in good condition. It was the duty of the shipper D to put it on the,
right.
Lord,
Yes,
sir,
please continue.
it was the duty of the shipper itself
Hmm.
to place it on the ship.
Hmm.
And now, Lord, as in Hindi we say, ulta chor kotwal ko dante, Lord, our cargo,
What can be done?
6.3 crores,
Hmm.
they've had their shipping value up in advance,
Hmm.
and now they're saying you pay us.
Huh?
This is preposterous, my lord.
Heard Mr. Spencer appearing for the appellants with Mr. Jain. Rishabh R. Jain, the learned advocate, appearing for the appellants. You would like a notice to be issued, or should I issue rule?
Lord, I want a direction to the defendant
Mhm.
saying that you please release the cargo in the
So
during the
I'll
pendency.
have to secure the presence of the other side.
No, Lord, what I wish to say is, Lord, we are already late. Lord, it is
Really?
such an important part of the machinery that, Lord, we can't do with it
I'm
without
not
it.
sure. I'm not even sure how, on what basis are you saying that the goods are yours, etc. I'll have
Lord,
to
I am
ascertain.
saying on the basis of
Maybe.
page 24.
Correct. Therefore, I'm inclined to issue notice.
Lord, one more thing, Lord,
Yes.
if Lords are not inclined to grant us the
What
interim,
kind of-
no, Lord, I'm just giving a very honest option.
Yes.
Lord, after the filing of the suit, Lord, the suit was filed on the 1st. A mentioning was made on the 1st. On the 2nd, Lord, they have issued 2 new invoices.
Mhm.
Lord, earlier, just a minute. Earlier, Lord, what they were asking was page 111, they were asking for 50 lakhs, and plus page 109, they were asking
The
for
question
8
of
lakh 10,000.
staying anything does not arise,
No, no.
because all you have to do is you have to deposit at least part of amount,
Kindly,
and then your
kindly.
goods will be
In the
given.
interregnum, what they have done is they have reduced that amount from some 59 lakhs to 32 lakhs. Now, Lord, what I propose to say is, Lord, I have brought a draft today in the name of the Honorable Registrar of this court of, Lord, they are claiming 32 lakhs. Lord, I am ready to give a draft of rupees 35 lakhs with a submission saying that the said amount be kept in an FD under the directions of this Honorable Court during the pendency of this suit, Lord. At best, they are asking us to deposit 32 lakhs and take our stuff. Lord,
Correct.
we are saying the amount is lying with the court in the shape of an FD. If we win, we get it back. If you win, you take it. We are submitting ourselves to your lordships. Lord, I have brought the draft.
It's right, but where is it stated that there is change of circumstances, etc.?
Lord, because since after it is an event that has taken place
Correct.
after
So
the
you
filing, Lord.
produce it on record.
Lord, kindly on my oral asking, Lord, I'm stating at bar. Lord, these are the two bills that they have regenerated, given us a discount of some 26 lakhs. They've given a discount, Lord, because even otherwise, it was a.
You ask him to file a draft amendment. On what basis do I pass any order?
Lord,
Let it be on Monday. I'll keep it on Monday.
Lord, I come from outside, Lord. It will be very difficult for me to, Lord. I have a case before the Supreme Court on Monday. Lord, may kindly have this, Lord. I have brought the draft.
So no problem, but it must be so. But what can the court do? These are all disputed questions of fact.
Lord, I agree. Lord, but it is a fact. What is not disputed is, Lord, that I am the owner of the fact.
Even if I may pass an order, on what basis do I accept the amount, and on what basis should I say that you are ready and agreeable to deposit 30?
Lord, under protest, I am
submission. You were aware that there is a subsequent development, then you are required to produce it on record.
Lord, it is such a event which has occurred so late, Lord. There was no opportunity for me to, Lord, place it on record in such an urgency. Lord, on my oral asking,
if there is so much urgency for the.
No, Lord, on my oral asking,
cannot pass orders in absence of any pleadings.
Lord, on my oral asking, may take these documents on record along with this draft, Lord. I brought it in original.
You wait for a week. Wait for a week. I'm issuing notice and making it returnable on 22nd.
22nd
is
a
22nd of August.
Thursday.
In the meantime, you come with a draft amendment if you want.
Lord, could it be 26th then?
26th.
Monday?
August would.
August.
Would be a Monday.
Lords are saying that 22nd is a Monday.
Yes, it's a Monday.
All right, Lord. I'll try to be here.
Heard, Mr. Emulak. The applicant hearing.
Lord, in the interregnum, if these this draft can be.
That cannot be a way of this. It is not a reason for the court to issue any directions.
But Lord, prima facie, Lord, if I may say.
You may be appearing in various other courts on oral submissions, whether orders can be passed. On what basis would 32 lakhs be taken by the court? Whether this court should accept such submissions in absence of pleadings? Whether pleadings are germane?
No, I agree. Lord, I agree. It is not a writ petition. I agree. It is a civil suit, Lord, basically. I agree. It is a.
That is the only thing. On what, how, that should not even.
Not, but under section 151 CPC, lords have ample powers to do complete justice between the parties, and seeing the urgency of the matter, Lord.
That cannot be a reason. Lord, merely delivering something across the bar, saying that look here, there is a development. The court is not. This court at least is not a court where it would go beyond the pleadings.
I agree, Lord. So I totally agree, and Lord.
To the pleadings, and you would.
And I'm sanguine with your lordship's difficulty, Lord. But kindly.
No difficulty in absence. You were aware.
Lord, we only became aware on the 2nd, Lord.
So, what is the date today?
Lord, today is the 4th, Your Lordship.
When there is so much of urgency. Sure.
22nd, Your Lordship?
Yes, 22nd.
Please, Your Lordship.
We pass orders, no difficulty, but things have to be in place.
Please, Your Lordship. Lord, would your lordships be kind enough to indicate in the order that, Lord, my request for an interim relief would be considered on the next step? If this can be mentioned in the order itself, only this part, that my request for interim relief would be considered on the next date.
All right, chalo, notice as to interim relief. No
yes.
Difficulty.
For I didn't get
notice as to interim relief.
Yes, yes. So kind.
Fair enough. No problem.
Lord, I'm very sorry, Lord, for interjecting. Lord, may make a mention.
Yes.
Lord, urgency is not, I have to get back. So that's why I'm interjecting like this. I'm very sorry, Your Lordship. Lord, as of today, on the record, I had brought a check draft for 35 lakhs. Lord, the disputed amount as of today is 59 lakhs 10,000. Lord, if I say, make a statement before Your Lordships today, that within today itself, during the course of the day today itself, we will pay the disputed amount today itself. If Lords could just say that in case the plaintiffs pay the disputed amount, their goods be released to them. That's it.
To the
In today's order only, if Lords could just say, if the plaintiffs today make the disputed payment, their goods be released.
respondents.
We
Opponents. Yes.
Yes, the plaintiffs make the disputed payment to the respondents, defendants, then the goods be released to them. Only that prayer.
But how come it is open for them?
I am not quantifying the amount. I am just saying all the disputed amount under protest.
See, once you come before the court, if there is a procedure, I don't mind. I will incorporate your statement.
Yeah, just that, Your Lordship. If I pay, Lord, ultimately they are not releasing the goods because we are not paying a disputed amount. So I am saying that under protest, I am making a statement at bar. Under protest, whatever is on record today, at page number 111 and 109, and Lord, more than that, 5 lakhs more than that, I am ready to pay right away for the release of my goods.
All right. So do one thing. Just give a note to the learned friend who was assisting you.
Yes.
I'll take up the matter later on and I'll pass appropriate orders orally because that matter has gone with some finance. So you just prepare a statement, whatever you want to say. I'll incorporate in the order. Normally, if the order, we would not change the order, but it's all right. When
Yes.
you are making a such a suggestion, I have no difficulty. I'll incorporate your statement, but there will nothing be from my end.
No, Lord, but Lords can always say that if the disputed amount is paid, the goods be released. There are only two things to the suit:
Correct. So they
disputed
may
amount and the
consider-
release of the
I can
goods.
only say that it may be considered ex parte. What else can I say?
It may be yes, the release of the goods may be considered.
Why should I have any difficulty? I'll say.
Please, Your Lordships. Lord, I'll give it in writing. Lord, my friend would hand
so
over to
that
the
I'll incorporate it.
yes,
Whatever
yes,
you want to say.
to the court master. Lord,
To the
he'll just give. I'm so obliged. So sorry for interjecting like this, but I would have waited for 2. Not I have a flight to catch. I'm so sorry.
Serial number 5, we had to give an undertaking.
Huh. સાચે ને what do you wear is પછી Mr. Abhishek Sethi, the learned counsel appearing for the plaintiffs under instructions from his clients, states that the plaintiffs herein shall make the disputed payments appearing at page 111 and 109, 109 and 111 of the paper book list of documents to the defendants under protest. It was submitted that on making such payments, the defendants be directed to release the said goods of the plaintiffs on payment of the disputed amount. If, as in view of the statement made by Mr. Sethi, the learned counsel appearing for the appellants, if the amount as stated at the disputed amount as stated above is deposited by the plaintiffs with the respondents, the respondents may consider releasing the goods which are in possession of the goods. The goods are owned by you.
We are the purchasers. The plaintiffs are the
Release
purchasers.
the goods to the plaintiffs Issue notice. Making it returnable. Project koi tarikh aap hai? 22nd.
My lord said kept it on 22nd.
22nd. I have said that they may consider.
Great.